Welcome to DOLA 2-Minute Mods. Today we will cover the styloid process accommodation grind, used for offloading the fifth metatarsal tuberosity and associated pathologies. The styloid process of the fifth metatarsal is the prominent bony projection at the proximal lateral base. It serves as the primary insertion point for the peroneus brevis tendon and a secondary attachment for the lateral band of the plantar aponeurosis. The prominence is palpable on the lateral border of the midfoot, approximately 2 to 3 cm distal to the calc-cuboid joint. It is a common source of lateral foot pain when it is structurally prominent, injured, or irritated by footwear or orthotic devices. Signs and symptoms of styloid lateral foot pain include a structurally prominent fifth metatarsal styloid process, overlying adventitious bursa, callus formation, peroneus brevis insertional tendinopathy, or a variety of fracture types and classifications. The styloid process accommodation is an orthotic modification that relieves direct pressure. The modification takes different forms depending on whether the prominence is lateral, plantar, or both, and can be an intrinsic grind or pad. For this modification, you'll need a DOLA Pro Orthotic pen for clinical markings, a bench grinder or Dremel.
Step 1. Use a pen or lipstick to identify and mark the styloid process on the foot. Step 2. Stand on the orthotic to transpose the weight-bearing position of the styloid process. You now have your area marked as a guideline for grinding. The aim of grinding is to remove the orthotic shell material at your mark to the depth required. Holding the orthotic shell medial and lateral to the grinding area, place the dorsal surface of the orthotic shell against the edge of the grinder. Flexing the orthotic will allow easier access to your grinding mark and will protect you from grinding unwanted areas including the heel cup. Remove small sections of the orthotic at a time until you become comfortable and check your progress. A mild grind will create a small divot, a more aggressive grind will create a deeper divot. The grind can be smoothed with sandpaper or a Dremel. Alternatively, a divot can be made with a handheld Dremel grinder or even a burr attachment on a clinical drill. The styloid accommodation can be used to accommodate a prominent styloid process, plantarly or laterally. It can also be used to address pathologies including bursitis, hyperkeratosis, or corns, and to improve comfort, tolerance, and to troubleshoot orthotic irritation.
For more education and training, follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or join the DOLA Academy.